Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure today to talk about the process of innovation in smart healthcare technology. So I'm Sandy Rihana, professor and consultant in medical healthcare technology. And actually, I'm professor at Holy Spirit University of Catholic Uzak in Lebanon. In this presentation, I will focus mainly on two projects that have been designed and implemented under my supervision by dedicated biomedical engineering students. The first project will be wearable device for hiker, and the second project will be smart baby seat monitoring. So, in fact, wearable devices can provide patient monitoring, surveillance, screening, diagnosis, and assistance with treatment, post-treatment, and ongoing management. These devices can also determine and confirm efficiency of treatment based on real-time physiological feedback. In fact, nowadays, digital technologies and artificial intelligence will redesign healthcare. They will have an unimaginable potential, and within the next couple of years, they will revolutionize every area of our life, including medicine and well-being. As technology has improved and become more widely available, healthcare companies and professionals are embracing innovation, design thinking, and entrepreneurial habits. The global wearable technology market size is projected to grow from 116 billion in 2021 to 265 billion in 2026, leading thus to a growth market of 18%. Factors such as growing demand for smart devices in the healthcare sector and surge in demand for Internet of Things devices are driving the growth of the market during the forecast period. Let's talk a bit about the two projects that has been designed and developed in our university. The first one is the wearable device for hikers and mountaineers. So this device is a wearable one that allow to monitor remotely the different vital signs of a hiker. So heart rate, temperatures, and to detect when the fall will occur, and to activate the airbag helmet in order to reduce an injury. And knowing that the hiker after falling will be incapable of moving, so there will be an automatic distress message and call sent to the nearest hospital or ambulance. The second project is about smart baby monitoring. So in fact, this will be dedicated mainly for parents and busy moms who want to monitor the health and the well-being of their babies continuously and at affordable price. So here in this device, you will have acquisition of different vital signs, such as temperature, heart rate, respiratory rates, and others, that will lead us to much more accurate clinical diagnosis at affordable price, and providing also continuous telemonitoring of the health and well-being of the baby. Moreover, the device will be HIPAA compliant, enclosed with an artificial intelligence algorithm for much more accurate personalized medicine. Here, let's go dig a little bit into the details of the both project. For the first project, so we have the block diagram of the wearable device for the hikers that will show the pulse rate sensor, the fall detector, the temperature sensor. All these input measurements will be sent to a microcontroller. This microcontroller will analyze the data, and whenever there is a fall detected, it will activate the helmet airbag in order to prevent the hiker from any injury and communicate the information so by sending an automatic message to the nearest hospital or ambulance with the defined coordinate of the hiker. Moreover, the applications allows not only to monitor the temperature, heart rate of the hikers, but also the number of steps, the distance traveled, and the amount of burnt calories. Here you can find some screenshot of the design mobile application and the message sent to the nearest ambulance or the predefined number. As for the smart baby seat monitoring, we have this presented block diagram. So the same, we have different sensors allowing to acquire the different vital signs of a baby, such as the heart rate, the temperature, breathing rate, blood oxygen level. Plus, Rojo, in order to detect an algorithm embedded to detect the cry of the babies, and live streaming, allowing to do a video conference and to see the baby and his monitor his health and well-being. So finally, we can conclude that we have the three phases that should be implemented for any innovation of smart healthcare technology. These are the phases of the Stanford Biodesign. In the first phase, we identify the need. In order, we screen them, we identify stakeholder, what are the clinical needs, and etc. Second, we go to the invention when we define the concept generation and the concept screening. Third, we go to the implementation when we have to go to the market strategy, post-market surveillance, the strategy development, the business planning, the financial projections, and all over. So we are open for any collaboration in the field of innovation, smart healthcare technology, and we can help either in the identification or in the invention and prototyping and testing, validation and verification, and also in the implementation and also for medical devices regulation and business planning. For any questions or concern or any collaboration, we will be more than happy to discuss any idea. So you can send me an email at senderihana@yahoo.com or senderihana@usac.edu.lb or via LinkedIn. Thank you.